서 있어. 아빠 줄 잡지 마. 줄 잡지 마.
줄 잡지 마.
아빠 봐. 아빠.
아빠? 소리님 그 어디 있어?
이거 사람도 먹는 건데. 하얀 말 안 오잖아. 이만치가.
소리쟁이요, 그게 소리쟁이.
야, 여기 찍어라.
엉뚱한 잡초를 먹고 있네.
여기 서준이 거 있다.
바닥에 흘린 거 먹느라고. 예, 뻗어 조금 더 가까이 접근.
됐어.
여기 서 있어 옆에. 바로 옆에. 아 괜찮아. 잘 가서.
괜찮아.
냄새 맡아본다. 냄새 맡아봐.
이 뽀얀
여기 안
얼굴
본다.
어울린다.
소다 던져줘, 상준이. 그래야
그래
먹지.
여기 다 먹어가지고.
다시 찍어줘.
봐.
다시 찍어줘.
이제 더 붙어.
아,
하지마 놀라게.
이렇구나.
그러면 안 되는 거야, 말을.
하지마 안 먹는다니까.
안 울어.
저 풀도 잘 먹는다. 그 저기 뭐요? 그걸 뭐라고 하지? 퇴비 같은 거 그거 잘 먹는다.
여기 봐. 여기. 한번 더.
이거 물
또.
아빠 저거처럼 이 말이야. 이거
맞다.
저거 있어.
저거 있지? 근데 걔가 안 온다.
저거 있어?
응, 이러고 있어.
저거 뭐 있어?
거기도 하얀 말이 있는데
머리카락
걔가
갖다
안 와.
버려.
저것도 먹을 수 있어?
그 풀을 잘 먹어. 소리쟁이보다.
요즘에
방구 낀다 방구.
어머.
그래도 왔어.
이거 완전 껌껌 말이야.
먹고 싶어서 그래.
서준아 조심해. 얘 앞에
네가 좀
다냐도
그 풀을 좋아해.
다냐도
조금씩 뜯어.
들어줘.
조금씩 뜯어야 돼.
얘도 줘 얘도 서준아.
좋아.
그봐, 이 풀 먹으려고 야단이요.
나도 뺐다가.
저 이빨 탁 잡고. 쟤 너무 좀잖아.
이렇게 잡고.
This is where we bake our rye bread, and right now we're standing at one of the 3 main hot springs. This one right here is used to heat up all the houses here in this town. Some countries use electricity and stuff, of course, but we just use the boiling hot water from the ground. The second hot spring is underneath our steam rooms in Fontana, and because it is a natural hot spring, we can't really control the temperature. If it gets too hot, we just open the doors or the windows to cool it down a bit, but we can't really do much more than that. Are any of you guys going in later? Or no? Yes? Yeah, so I usually just tell people that inside the steamers there's a big red button. Most people just push it for more steam, but it's just an emergency button. So if you're guys going in, just be careful. The third hot spring is by the benches over there. It's like a 5-minute walk. You can actually see it later. There's a small pool called Vidaler. When Icelanders took Christianity at around 1000, people used to get baptized there. I've also heard that instead of going to Thingvellir, the national park, instead of going there to get baptized in the cold water, they just came here for the warmer water instead. We bake 3 to 5 breads every day, but it depends on how many groups you have. We put stones on top of ours because there are still some local people who come here. They mostly bake breads, but my coworkers, I've seen them bake potatoes and sausages and stuff. They put sticks on top of theirs, and we put stones on top of ours. Do you guys know? Can you guys guess how many hours it takes to bake the bread? 24. Yeah. So 24 hours. Yeah. 24 hours to bake the bread. We'll put a new one in at the group tomorrow at 11:30. We'll get this one. Because the natural hot spring is here, the water here on the coastline is usually a bit warmer than over there. But people often go into the lake, it's just like 10 degrees Celsius. Let's see. So I better get some piece of motion. So that's the boiling water. It's always around 100 degrees Celsius. So you can just come over here.
아무도 뜨거워?
guys have any questions or anything?
What are the ingredients?
We'll have the coffee inside. It's rye, wheat, milk. We use regular cane sugar, but most people just use brown sugar, so it's a little bit more sweet. So if you have more questions, you can just ask me inside, and we can just go inside and taste the bread. Alright? Of course.
Here, over here is a meat. Okay,
Yeah, I know what?
real quick.
됐어. 그 뒤에 모래 귀찮대요, 빵이.
So are you guys ready to go inside? Or you want to take some? So we always need to cut the bread in half right away so it doesn't keep cooking in the middle. So everyone uses different recipes, of course, but this one, this recipe right here is from our boss's grandmother.
뭐라고 그래요?
여기 주인의 할머니 조리법이래. 사람마다 틀린데. 여기 대장이 할머니.
Well, it's like a traditional Icelandic bread. So well, I'm not sure why we don't do like other breads, but we have been doing this for a long time.
우리나라 무슨 떡 냄새였어?
Alright, so I recommend to put a lot of butter on top of your tortillas, of course. So you just go ahead, but it still has to be.
뜨거우니까 조심해. 맛있지.
And we also have the recipe down here.
오, 물 많다.
저 아래까지 내려가 있어.
물이 여기까지 튀는. 뜨거운 물이야? 맞아. 가, 여기 찍으면서 갈게요. 가. 네. 가서 찍고 잠깐만.
밀커트냐 밀커트 이거 봐. 여기도 가봤는데 별거 없더라고. 여기는 누가 바뀌면서 나보는데 처음 봤어. 압도적인 건 베티 코스가 압도적.
그렇긴 한데 또 이거는 또 다르잖아. 아니 바로 느껴지지.
베티 코스 부럽구나.
떨어지는 그거 어마어마하고
저기서도 봐야지. 놀랍고 뭐. 네.